Good morning, Gators. I'm Mr. Miller. That's
Finley.
and this is
Trey.
and you're watching Good Morning ALES.
Yes.
Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Today's weather is looking cloudy with a few showers possible. The high temperature will be 47 degrees and the chance of rain is 20%. No more rain.
Yeah.
Yuck. April 27th is Tell a Story Day. The goal of today is to tell a story that you make up, not one you read from a book or a novel. So gather the family, get creative, and make up some stories. Maybe one person starts and then you pass the story around from one person to the other so that they all add to it. There is also a microscope object at the end of announcements today. Study the picture and feel free to leave some comments on these Facebook posts, or you can email them to me at tmiller@alcsny.org. Good luck! Tomorrow will be another work pickup and delivery day for the elementary school. Pickup will be from 11:30 to 1 at the elementary cafeteria. And if you are getting delivery, make sure you have a container out for your work to be placed in. If you have questions, have your parents email your teachers. That's all for today, everyone. Be well, Gators. All one.